coming out with Shah Rukh in my first film, it was the best thing that could happen to any newcomer.
I wanted to be an actor ever since I was a kid.
I'm an honorary Punjabi.
अरे ये तो उसके जैसा है, अरे ये तो उसके जैसा.
I'm not an actor who wants to ride on other people's popularity.
अपना काम पूरी शिद्दत से करो and nothing can stop you.
He says bread पकौड़े की कसम and she says that आज friend बोल रहा है कल I love you बोल देगा, try भी ना करियो. We have with us today Anushka Sharma and Ranveer from Band Baja Barat. Their film is releasing shortly and their promos are doing very well and are liked by general people. Pleasure having you on Bollywood Hungama first of all.
वेडिंग प्लानर बनेगा क्यों? प्रॉब्लम क्या है? रिसेप्शन हो या इन्फ्लेशन, शादियां तो होनी है. लाखों करोड़ों इन्वेस्ट करते हैं लोग शादियों में. 100% प्रॉफिट.
The promos have been liked generally, and what kind of feedback have you guys been getting from people in general?
Very good feedback actually. People are liking the fact that बहुत ही real लग रही है film. It's looking very honest and it's very fresh. I'm getting these messages on Twitter from people saying the way you're fighting with the auto guy in Tarkibe, that's exactly the way I fight with the auto guy when I go to college. Or the boys are saying it reminds me of my hostel, it reminds me of my college days. I feel nostalgic. People are finding it very fresh and they're able to like relate to it, which I think is a great thing because that's exactly what like Band Baja Barat is. It's a very fresh film, it's very young,
Sure.
It's a lot of fun, and I think that's what they're getting out of the promos, so which is a good thing.
Anushka Sharma can definitely be the brand ambassador for Punjab. The way she's been kind of doing the films one after another, and the Punjab is, I think, a regular feature in that.
Very proudly, I'll be a band ambassador
I
for
think
Punjab.
you'll do Punjab proud, in fact.
I hope so.
And you look like a Punjabi kudi.
I look like, although I'm not.
You're from Bangalore.
Yeah, I'm from Bangalore.
Yeah, but now you are a pakka Punjabi.
No, I'm not even a Punjabi actually. My dad's from UP and my mom's a Garhwali. She's from the hills. So
But you have graduated to being a Punjabi.
I think I'm an honorary Punjabi.
I think one of your dialogues, which personally I think is quite funny, is bread pakode ki khasam. That's quite a, I think, innovative kind of, in a way, metaphor. North Indians will definitely wow for it because samosa and bread pakora is something that everybody has it on a daily basis.
प्रॉमिस मैं कभी फ्रेंडशिप के आगे नहीं बढ़ूंगा.
आज फ्रेंड बोल रहा है, कल आई लव यू बोल देगा.
ले ब्रेड पकौड़ी की कसम.
Hearing good things about you, something about your background first of all.
Well, I'm actually from Bombay. I'm born and raised. I wanted to be an actor ever since I was a kid. And before this, I was a struggling actor. I was just trying to get a break for a long time, 3.5 years. Finally, I got a call. They said it's Yash Raj. It's a lead role. Come give an audition. I did. And it was well liked, and the rest is history.
You've signed a 3-film contract with Yash Raj. So there must be something that Aditya Chopra must be seeing in you.
Actually, he can tell me today, of course he didn't tell me at the time, that it was actually after my very first audition that he was fully convinced and he had decided that this is the boy, this is who's going to play Bittu Sharma, and this is my new boy. So he decided after the first audition, I had just done 2 scenes from the film and that was enough to convince him. So I think that's pretty cool.
You've done your first film with Shah Rukh Khan, second film with Shahid Kapoor. I'm sure that you must have been asked this question hundreds of times now.
More than hundreds.
You're being kind of paired with Ranveer, a total rank newcomer.
Yeah.
It's in a way a bit of a risk for you as well. From box office perspective, both of your films have done very well at the box office. First film with Shah Rukh Khan, the superstar. Shahid Kapoor doing very well.
I want to be a top model. We'll see.
Now a very talented newcomer.
Right. I think I'm not an actor who wants to ride on other people's popularity. I think coming out with Shah Rukh in the first film was the best thing that could happen to any newcomer because your visibility is so much more. So today more people know me because I came out with Shah Rukh because so many more people want to watch his film. So of course that helps in the first film. But I think after that you really want to prove your mettle as you go on. And having said that, I don't think I was ever deterred that he was going to be like my co-star because I know Manish Sharma, who's the director of the film, and I knew the script well in advance, and I knew what he was working on. I knew the character of Bittu, and Manish and me had discussed this, and even Adi had, we all knew that the guy who plays Bittu has to be somebody because Bittu is such a fresh character on screen. You haven't seen a boy like that. So a guy, if he's already established or he's a star or whatever, will carry a certain baggage with him. Whereas Ranveer wouldn't, because nobody knows him. So for them, he's Bittu. So he'll add that freshness to the film, which happened in my case also in Rab Ne. You know, so I think it's a very, it's a good thing that Ranveer is in this film, and I don't think anyone better could play like Bittu's role, and especially because Band Baja Barat is such a character-driven film. Right. It's only about these two characters. It's Bittu and Shruti's story. So it's very, very imperative for us to have a character or have a guy who plays the character to the T, which he did. So no qualms at all. Absolutely not.
Your name is Ranveer, and many of the people have been, I'm sure that must have been asked to you as well. You're being compared with Ranbir Kapoor as well, that your looks are similar to Ranbir Kapoor. How does that feel?
I don't think I look similar.
Many people on Twitter keep on telling me that he looks very familiar, and I believe even on the sets of the film, I think it happened once. I read it somewhere, in fact, that maybe a few of the fans, they mistook you for Ranbir Kapoor.
Maybe they did, but I don't know. I don't see the similarity myself, and I can't help it if people do.
I think it's inevitable. You know, when you're a newcomer, you're always compared to like somebody. Like I was compared to somebody.
It's natural human tendency, you know. You see something, you're trying to associate it with something you already know. So, you know, when you see something, "Arey ye to uske jaisa hai, arey ye to uske jaisa hai," it's with anything. I hope I can be the unique person that I am and be able to translate that. And I'm hoping in due time people will see that I'm unique.
After Band Baja Barat, people are not going to say that.
I recently saw in the credits that Habib Faisal is the screenplay writer and the dialogue writer for the film. I think he was fantastic in Do Duni Char.
Yes.
टोटल इनकम 20 और खर्चा 24. कहाँ से आएगी कार?
When you read his name and you realize that the dialogues are fresh, and that is one of the highlights. In fact, we've seen this year a few of the films like, say, Tere Bin Laden and Udaan, and I think several other films.
Yeah.
They've done exceedingly well, primarily because they have been written very well.
Right.
So when you have a good writer, does that help?
Absolutely. In fact, I think all of us give a lot of credit to Habib sir for writing the script so wonderfully, because he just brings a lot of freshness in terms of his dialogues, and the characters, the language is very fresh, Faridun. It's really like you haven't heard that kind of language, I feel, because even for me, as like when I watched the film, I was like, you know, if there's one thing that I can say very proudly of this film, forget that we've done well or performances are good or anything, it's that the dialogues.
Any examples that are your favorite?
प्यार व्यापार की जोड़ी कभी नहीं बैठती.
जिनके साथ करते हैं व्यापार, उनके साथ नहीं करते हैं प्यार.
बिजनेस का फर्स्ट टूल, जिसके साथ व्यापार करो उससे कभी ना प्यार करो.
To have that kind of quality on paper to work with as an actor.
Exactly.
He just gives you so much to work with, and he really does most of it for you. You're just enhancing something that's already great on paper. I have a couple of monologues in the film too that he's written so beautifully. It's so well crafted. He thinks about every beat, everything. When you see it on paper, it's just, you know, it's great stuff, and then you feel like you owe it to Habib sir to do it the best way possible, and the way he envisioned somebody saying it when he wrote it.
I think you're pitching when you say the dialogue that we have a bronze भी हमारे पास है जिसमें हम क्रिया कर्म कराते हैं. I think the way you pitch it.
कौन सा पैकेज लेंगे जी आप? प्लैटिनम, गोल्ड या सिल्वर? ब्रॉन्ज भी है, उसमें हम क्रिया कर्म कराते हैं. करानी है आपको?
And you know, another great thing about the film is that even like the most serious scenes in the film, like the very emotional scenes in the film, don't bog you down, because even that has a sense of humor. It's a little light, so it conveys the message and it touches your heart, but at the same time you have a smile on your face rather than crying and sobbing and like, you know. And I think that's what's cool, because the film is so fresh and it's so like young. So that all that contributes to that.
Yeah, those type of emotions are only there in the right doses.
Yeah.
You know, so much that they just don't bog you down. They show you the depth of the relationship, and they show you that there's depth there, but they don't bog you down. It's all in all light.
You worked with Aditya Chopra earlier, and it was a Punjabi setting. You're working for the first time. He is, I think, showcased the Punjabi culture maybe the way very few people have in Indian cinema. So what kind of inputs has he given? Did he give to you and both of you guys?
Ari doesn't really get involved when it comes to like, when you're shooting a movie, he doesn't get involved. I think the only thing he said was that, which I don't even think he needs to say, the fact that I was chosen to play the part of Shruti and Ranveer was chosen to play the part of Bittu was a sign enough for us to know that he knows that we will be able to carry it forward. And Adi is not somebody who's going to get in and say, come on sets and see what is going on, are they doing it properly? That was completely Manish's game.
I think the one thing that he did tell me that will stick with me forever is something he told me about being honest in front of the camera. He said, whatever is going on in your life, whatever's happening on the day, whatever's happened on the day prior, just forget everything. Once the camera is rolling, you have to be completely honest. That is the way to go about it. And अपना काम पूरी शिद्दत से करो, and nothing can stop you.